Alright, it's 11. Now we wait. What? You're probably not gonna be able to figure it out. Oh, look, never mind. But now you won't be able to wait until most of it's static again during the middle of it. Alright, we'll get into the 11:06 period again. Oh my god, Fayette. You just said something about that. Anyways, this is like around the normal time that KHY68 would test, and they usually test afterwards, so ILN is kind of late. Of course, KHY68 is having phone line issues, so they're off the air, so, yeah, I have no room to speak. Oh my god. Yeah, that's actually different. Nope. Okay, that's another fire call. What is going on right now? This is supposed to be our weekly test video, not a fire call compilation. ILM probably will test during this time because they normally would do that during slight risks. It's only enhanced and above that they will postpone. Because I've seen them test, and then later that night there was tornado warnings, so yeah. I don't think this 5% tornado risk will hinder the weekly test. All I'm hoping is that they don't test while on KH42 while it's in its little periodic static moments. That's all I'm hoping. Oh. I think it was KH42. So 996 will be flopped. So it doesn't get a check OP.
Under fair skies. The river stage for the Ohio River at Portsmouth at 10 a.m. was 17.8 feet. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Sunday.
Here we go. Oh my god, you're always late. I forgot.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability will be more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following county of Station West XM, 69 North Wave, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for South Central Ohio and Northeast Kentucky. West of today, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall this afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Light and variable winds, becoming south around 5 miles an hour late. Chance of rain 40%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers with thunderstorms likely in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce...
Okay, so those two didn't recognize it. Alright, so there was a big old test. As expected, the 74-210 failed.
Isn't that incredible? Let's have a big round of applause for Barry Fowler Moore, who just pointed out the most obvious thing.
Tech America went off, Recon went off, WR8000 went off for its first alert. Page 259 went off for its first alert. Accurate went off. Silver 259 failed. That's nothing new. I'll set that back down there. Both 254s went off. Bearcat went off. I have no idea if this dude went off. Jensen went off. K110 went off. K388 went off. 247 did not go off. Not sure why. Zone Guard Plus went off. WX67 went off. That would explain. 249 went off. What's all over that? 250 went off. I have no clue if the GE went off. 140 failed. 300 went off. HH went off. CKW 2000 went off. 100 went off. Okay. 261 went off. The XSY 299 failed again. 120 went off. 996 went off on WXM69 because KIH42 was complete static when the same tones came through. SolarLink FR370 went off, although I forgot when I turned it back on to set it back to voice mode because it died on me. FR600 went off. The WR106 failed. Let's go check on the 101. Yep, he went off. So there you are.